Star anise is a popular spice known for its distinctive licorice-like flavor and is commonly used in Asian cuisine, herbal teas, and traditional medicine. While it offers various health benefits, including antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, excessive or improper consumption can lead to serious health risks. Understanding these dangers is essential to ensure safe use. What is star anise? Star anise is a spice derived from the fruit of a small evergreen tree native to China and Vietnam. It is widely used in cooking, particularly in Chinese five spice powder and various broths, and has been used in traditional medicine for its purported digestive and antiviral benefits. However, not all star anise is safe for consumption, and excessive use can lead to toxic effects. The risk of confusing star anise varieties. One of the biggest dangers of star anise arises from the potential for contamination with a toxic variety known as Japanese star anise. While Chinese star anise is considered safe for consumption, Japanese star anise contains potent neurotoxins such as anisetin, which can lead to severe poisoning, including seizures, hallucinations, and even death. Unfortunately, Japanese star anise closely resembles its edible counterpart, and accidental contamination has occurred in herbal teas and other food products. For this reason, star anise sold in bulk or in unregulated herbal products should be approached with caution. Neurological and toxic effects of star anise overconsumption. Even when consuming the safe Chinese star anise, excessive intake can lead to neurological side effects. Some reported symptoms include seizures. Overconsumption of star anise, particularly in infants, has been linked to seizure activity. This is why pediatricians advise against giving star anise tea to young children. Hallucinations and delirium. High doses of star anise have been associated with altered mental states, including confusion and hallucinations. Nausea and vomiting. The essential oils in star anise, particularly anethole, can be irritating to the stomach lining, leading to nausea and gastrointestinal distress. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to star anise, experiencing skin rashes, itching, and respiratory distress upon consumption. Dangerous interactions with medications. Star anise contains compounds that can interact negatively with certain medications, including blood thinners. Star anise has natural anticoagulant properties, which may increase the risk of excessive bleeding if consumed alongside blood thinning medications like warfarin. Sedatives and antidepressants. The compounds in star anise may enhance the effects of sedatives, potentially leading to drowsiness or excessive sedation. Hormonal medications. Star anise contains phytoestrogens and may interfere with hormone based treatments such as birth control or hormone replacement therapy. Safety guidelines for consuming star anise. To avoid the dangers associated with star anise, consider the following precautions. 1. Only buy from trusted sources. Ensure that you're purchasing food grade Chinese star anise from reputable brands or stores. Avoid bulk purchases from unknown sources to minimize the risk of contamination. 2. Limit consumption. Use star anise in moderation, especially if you're consuming it in teas or medicinal forms. Stick to recommended culinary amounts. 3. Avoid giving star anise to infants and small children. Due to its potential neurotoxic effects, it's best to avoid giving star anise tea to babies or toddlers. 4. Consult a doctor if you take medications. If you're on blood thinners, sedatives, or hormone treatments, speak with a healthcare professional before incorporating star anise into your diet. 5. Be aware of symptoms of toxicity. If you experience symptoms such as nausea, dizziness, hallucinations, or seizures after consuming star anise, seek medical attention immediately. While star anise is a flavorful and beneficial spice when used correctly, improper or excessive consumption can pose serious health risks. The key to safe use is to be aware of its source, limit intake, and recognize potential adverse effects. By taking these precautions, you can continue to enjoy the unique taste and benefits of star anise without the risk.